Periodic change of nature governs our life.
But we believe mind expansion is tremendous. So we choose to grow alongside with you to serve.
And we can help you in repurposing your life.
No matter which stages you are in, we are always there for you. See what his true realization means for you, so that you can continuously to learn and outlast your dream.
Not just alone, but with a consultant's support.
Aspiration of beauty comes easy here. Create a phase for family relationship too. You choose the space and freedom you need. We are more than flamboyant. We are
Enlightens, design, make.
attending to your creative processes in every single steps.
We are Ascend Makea.
And we ensure those we serve can future-proof and future-true. Take us there.